Hello everybody, another paid request. So without further ado, our civilization's trajectory is irreversible. We are being physically cowed by visions, and our machines are now domesticating us. Corporations are plotting to build sub-realities via trendy virtual reality technology that celebrities will soon endorse as fashion, so they may act as gods to the underclasses. In a matrix of their own creation, the spiritual peasants are all too eager to submit. Sexual intimacy will no longer be intimate. The act will be as mundane conversation. We will be monitored by artificial intelligence through every medium for our own protection. And humans will always feel inclined to erode morality through slogans relating to love and freedom, believing that it is part of evolution, conditioned from birth to worship the institution. The narrative will not be conquered from within. Faith must be put into intangible higher orders. Do not submit to the good of mere machines. Okay, that's fair. Have a good day.